Welcome, friends, to the weekly outlook. Boone here from Elliott Wave Pro. So we'll start off with the DXY. So last week I was looking at this is the B up here, and I was looking for this C wave up. Instead, we got a expanding flat instead of the running flat, and we're starting to get that C up. So nothing really changed. We're looking for that C up before we get this A, B, C, before we get more upside. So this week we'll be looking for dollar strength, basically, up to around the 100 fib or 123.6 before we can start looking for that downside. AU, I'm looking for this C down. If we count the swings, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 swings. So that's corrective, and we still haven't broken this top here. So there is a chance that this low here does get broken. So if we do get sell setups up around the top, because we're getting a lot of bearish divergence. So if we do get sell setups, it's a good chance to take it, because we don't know if it's just going to be a C down here or a larger, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and break this low. So if you get a sell set up here, it'll be good to jump on that, I think. H1, I don't think we're getting. Yeah, we might be getting a sell set up here. We might be getting a little running flat here. So an A, B, C with a little running flat. So yeah, start looking for your C down. Yeah. GU is a little bit trickier because we got this bearish divergence here, an A, but I'm looking at A, B, C, but this can basically go either way. We have a look. We've got an A. This may not be the B here. So we got an A, B, C, and then we get the larger A, B, C. So we are getting a buy set up in here, but you really have to wait for it to go down to H1. You really have to wait for the break and a buy set up out here, or else it can break this low. So yeah, we got to really watch this one. It is giving a bullish correction here, but yeah, we just got to be careful, because this can just keep on coming down and break this low here in just for an A, a B, and a C up, and then more downside, or else it can just go A, B, and take off. So if you do get the buy against this low here, yeah, you can take it. EU, there's really nothing on EU at the moment. We're in this, eventually, wherever this B is, wherever this B wave ends. So this could be an A. Well, we get an A, B, C here. This B here may not be over, and it could just go more upside in here. It's really not clear. It could go up from here, so and give us a B over here, and then go A, B, C, and then give us that larger A, B, C, completing this B before we get that A, B, C. So I'd just stay out of this one for the time being. There's really not much. You can see that it's in this sort of a triangle, sort of a pattern here. So yeah, very difficult to trade. Can trade it on the lower time frames. It's just scalping basically. If we have a look at here on the H1, got some sort of a expanding flat here, so W, X, Y. So we'll probably get something like this, X and a Z up. So W, X, Y, X, and a Z. So yeah, before we get downside. NU, really nothing on NU. We're getting this bullish sort of a correction here. You really want the wrong one. Really need a little bit deeper correction before you take it. I think we were only down around the 38.2. So if I put the 38.2, so yeah, we're not even at the 38.2. So you've got to give this a little bit more time before you buy, and yeah. So we'll probably just sit in here. Before you get that buy. UY. We're still within this A, B, C. We're still in this C wave here. So yeah, we just got to wait for the break and look for the sell. We have a look on the H1. You can see we're starting to get bearish divergence here, but this is starting to look bullish here too. So if you get the buy set up, you can take it. Because we are looking for, if we have a look at this, if we get the fib, we can sort of looking for this target, this 100 fib here. So it does have a little bit more room up. And then it may even get to the 123.6 before it gives us this C wave down. So yeah, scalp the long, and if you get the short set up, that's going to be the larger impulse. So Sheffy, really nothing happening on this one at all. As you can see, it's just sideways. It's not really doing us no favors at all. It's yeah, just stay out of it. UCAD, I put that idea out last week. We were getting this C down. That hit the target there. And we got a bounce off of that. We're still within this range, well, in this channel here. So you can see I put out a short entry in here and hit the target here. But we're still in this channel. So yeah, very difficult trading. Gold, we've, like I said, last couple of weeks we had this triangle here. We've broken out of the triangle, and now we're getting a correction for more upside. More than likely we'll get more upside. So this is looking bullish here. So yeah, look for your buy on the lower time frame on the H1. So we'll at least get a C up. So we should at least see a C up. So if we go A, B, C, so we're looking for this C up here. This B wave here may not be over. So we may get another one down here for some sort of a flat correction in here for an A. an A, an A, B, C for a correction in here before we get that A, B, C to finish that B wave over here and then go up for the C. But if you get the buy set up, looks like we're getting, it's not really a flag, it's more of a bear flag, but yeah, if you get that bull flag, yeah, take it. So I'm bullish on gold, basically. Still bullish. It is risky because we are at a top, so you really only want to be scalping, moving it to break even, and being careful because we do have a lot of bearish divergence on the H4. So yeah, as I've mentioned in previous videos. WTI, we're still moving up. We're still within this trend here. I'm looking at this as a extended wave. So we got a W, X, Y, and we'll get this some sort of a correction here like this. And we'll get that Y finishing off this Y, and then we'll get that larger correction here for this X wave here, and then we get that Z up, possibly up to this 38.2, the first target, which is on the H4, which I've been talking about. So yeah, this is the first target and the second target. So yeah, Bitcoin's playing along. You'll probably see that I put out an idea on this one up the top here somewhere on TradingView, and if we have a look, we're starting to play out. I'm looking for this C down here. Hopefully we get this C down. That'll give us something to buy then. So we'll probably get something like this. C, and then before we get any more upside for a an A, B, C. If we go down onto the H1, you can see that you are getting a sell set up here. If you get the break, yeah, look for the short down to the well, at least down to this low here, low of wave A. So yeah, we really need to see at least this low here being broken before we can look for that buy, because we are looking for the larger correction on the daily before we get that Z up. Okay, so that's pretty much it this week. Look for your short on Bitcoin this week. Yeah, hope you all enjoy your week, and I'll see you out there next week. Enjoy.